Bro, HP just dropped an AI laptop that's cheaper than a MacBook. But is it actually good or just another marketing trap? This is the new HP OmniBook 3 14-inch next-gen AI laptop. And honestly, this thing surprised me. You're getting AMD Ryzen AI processors, built-in AI features, up to 24 gig RAM, Radeon graphics, and even Microsoft Copilot support inside a super thin laptop that weighs almost nothing. But here's the crazy part. HP is pushing this as an AI PC, meaning the laptop can run AI tasks directly on the device using its NPU chip, stuff like live captions, AI image generation, background noise removal, and smarter video calls without killing performance. That's actually impressive for the price. Now, design-wise, it looks clean, minimal. Premium enough for students, creators, and office users. Ports are decent too. USB-A, USB-C, HDMI. Thankfully, HP didn't remove everything like some brands. Performance? For normal users, this thing flies. Multitasking, Chrome tabs, editing documents, watching videos, coding, even light gaming. It handles it smoothly. Some reviewers even called it one of the best value AI laptops right now. But there are some red flags. Some users reported average battery life, random freezing issues, and concerns about HP hinge durability. So this is not a perfect laptop. And if you're expecting hardcore gaming or MacBook-level battery life, lower your expectations. So, is the HP OmniBook 3 a scam? No, definitely not. It's a real HP product with legit AI hardware and strong specs for the price. But it's also not some magical future laptop like the ads make it seem. If you want a lightweight AI laptop for school, work, or everyday use without spending crazy money, this might actually be one of the smartest buys right now. But if reliability and battery life matter most, then you should still compare other options before buying. And honestly, that's what makes this laptop interesting. It's not perfect, but it might be the beginning of affordable AI laptops finally becoming worth it. Subscribe because I'm testing more viral AI tech that companies don't fully explain.